Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download apps from Play Store without any Google account. Okay, first of all go to Google and search for Play Store. Okay, select this, then open Play Store, and choose an app you want to download. I'm choosing Canva. Just copy this link and then go to the link provided in the description and paste here the link and click on generate download link. Wait for some few seconds, you will able to see this. Click here to download the desired app. In this method you can download any apps from Play Store without any Google account right direct to your PC, or you can try in your Android phone. Okay guys, that's all of this tutorial. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.